Aloha, it is the Aloha Kid, Bruno Escalante. You're watching PhilippineNews.com. Alright.
Ready, go! Nice, that's what we want. Ride it slow. Good march, ride it slow. Stand on the balls of the feet. Do a different footwork drill. Go! Side to side, left, right, left, right, left, right. Cutting off the outside foot. Try to change direction.
First 2-3 weeks niyang sparring sina Jesus Sandoval at saka si Guy Robb. So he started with Jesus for 4 rounds first, then he went to 6, then 8, then Guy Robb came. They went to 12 rounds also with Jesus Sandoval. So they've been to like 12 rounds already. Two 12 rounds. At saka itong lately niya na sparring, he sparred twice with Stan, 10 rounds. He did really good. I was impressed of his speed, lakas, and he looks so impressive. So palagi ko ang laban nito talagang maganda, kaya panoorin niyo to, talagang magandang laban ito. Alam ko na magaling din si Walters. Sabi nga niya 3rd or 6th round babagsakin niya na si Nonito. Pero yun, kung hindi siguro manununtok si Nonito, maaaring magawa niya yun. Yung nga sinabi ko, magandang panoorin ito dahil alam kong 100% na insayado na si Nonito. Hindi kagaya ito ang pinaka mula na nag-umpisa kami ng boxing, ngayon ko nakita na talagang condition siya dahil at isa pa, nag-spar siya kay isang mas malaki sa kanya. 155 si Stan nung mag-umpisa sila mag-sparring. So talagang malakas si Stan, saka mabilis. So at least si Nonito, he's able to handle Stan.